everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Valentine's Totem in Fish It new Valentine's update. So this totem is a game changer for your like and aesthetic, especially if you want to get those unique fish inside the Heartfelt Islands in the Valentine's event. So to get the totem, you can just go inside the Heartfelt Island and find the store, this one with the Flores NPC. So you can just talk to her, click on a view shop. So this is where you can get the love totem. You can buy it for 2,200 Valentine's coin. You can just click on buy and you'll get the love totem easily. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.